Make sure you know how to multiply binomials before Algebra 2 starts this fall. So binomial multiplication is really straightforward. It helps to remember some patterns, but once you know those patterns, your life will be so much easier. Let's take a look at our first problem. We have x minus 10 times x minus 2. For your reference, a binomial is when you have two terms separated by an operation. So we have an x and a 10 separated by a subtraction sign. There is a shortcut to remember how to multiply two binomials, and that is FOIL. The F stands for first, the first two terms in your binomials. So the x and the x. Those are both the first terms in each binomial. X times x, x squared. So we multiply those two together. The O stands for outside. We're now going to multiply the two outside terms, the ones that are on the outer edges of our entire problem. And we're going to multiply those together. So x times negative 2, or negative 2x. Now the I. The I stands for inside. The two terms that are on the inside closest to each other, the negative 10 and the x. And now we'll multiply those together, and we get negative 10x. The last letter, L, stands for last. And that means you're going to multiply the two last terms in the binomials. So the negative 10 is the last term in the first, and the negative 2 is the last in the second. Multiplying those together, we get positive 20. Now in most cases, your middle terms are like terms. So here we have negative 2x and negative 10x. And when we add those, we get negative 12x, and then we have plus 20. And now you've just completed binomial multiplication. Try this second one a little faster. First, outer, inside, last. So the first, 2x and 4x, 8x squared. The outside, 2x and 3, positive 6x. The inside, negative 1 and 4, negative 4x. And the last, negative 1 and 3, or negative 3. The middle two add together, so we get 8x squared plus 2x minus 3. And that may have been a little fast, but that's how fast you'll be able to do this once you memorize FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. I hope this helps, and be sure to check back.